What's up, fit people? Welcome to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. I'm a certified trainer sharing fun and challenging workouts you can do at home. We are currently on day 31 and today's workout will be 6 rounds of cardio followed by 6 rounds of chest workout. So if it's your first time on this channel and you're looking for a reliable source of workout program you can follow at home, hit the subscribe button, and you can also help me by sharing with someone who wants to join you on this transformational journey. Alright guys, so let's get right into our workout. We will do wide stance. While you do toe taps, we will be doing big circles with the hands in one direction. Okay, let's go. So you're doing windmills with the arms and toe taps with the legs. Bam, bam, bam. Change direction of rotation. Okay, so now we're going to put the legs together and let's do big circles. So people who will do modified push-ups, get your fitness mat ready. Beautiful, keep going. Change direction of rotation. Alright, beautiful. So first exercise we're going to do burpee modification. This is the modification. For people who are young, they can do the full burpee. Six rounds of cardio. Beautiful. Next one is star fly. People are not explosive. They can do side step and side step. Puppy, let's go. Wonderful. Next one, jump squat. Modified version is the regular squat. Okay, let's go. Wow. Deep breath through the nose, out through the mouth. Next one, butt kicks. Let's go. Wonderful. Next one, high knees. Modification. Okay, let's go. Wonderful. Deep breath in. Next one, jumping jacks. So modification. Let's go. Beautiful. So now we are going in the 6 rounds of chest exercise. First one, push up, modification, knees on the ground. You're going as low as you can. Okay? Make sure you're fully extending the elbows. Palms shoulder width apart. Beautiful. Next time we're going to diamond push-ups. Modification. We do them on the knees. This will attack the triceps. Let's go. If you get that, you can go back on the knees. Okay. Yo. So now we are in down position, downward facing dog, and each time we do a push-up, then we touch the toes diagonal. I did earlier chest exercises. Wow. So now we do push-up and shoulder tap. So modification, you're on the knees, you tap, tap, keep going, tap. Beautiful. So, something for the knees. Next one, I will do modified push-ups, 30 seconds, you two, let's go. Beautiful. One more round. Shoulder top, push up and shoulder tap. Oh, let's go. Let's finish strong, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Day 31 done and sealed. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me, and if you enjoyed this workout, share with family and friends, and see you on day 32.